Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to earn from the stock market. The stock market can be a great way to build wealth and make money, but it can also be risky if you don't know what you're doing. So, let's dive in and discuss some tips and strategies for earning from the stock market. Tip 1. Do your research. The first step to earning from the stock market is to do your research. Before you invest any money, you need to understand the basics of the stock market, how it works, and the different types of investments available. You should also research the companies you're interested in investing in, such as their financial performance, growth potential, and industry trends. Tip 2. Start with a small investment. Once you've done your research, start with a small investment. This will allow you to learn how the stock market works without risking too much money. You can gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the process. Tip 3. Diversify your portfolio. Another important tip for earning from the stock market is to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of companies across different industries, rather than putting all your money into one stock. Diversification can help reduce your risk and increase your chances of earning a profit. Tip 4. Monitor your investments. It's important to regularly monitor your investments to see how they're performing. Keep track of any changes in the market, as well as any news or announcements related to the companies you've invested in. This will help you make informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold your investments. Tip 5. Be patient. Earning from the stock market takes time, so be patient. Don't get discouraged if your investments don't immediately start earning a profit. Remember that the stock market can be volatile and that it's important to have a long-term investment strategy. So, those are some tips and strategies for earning from the stock market. Remember to do your research, start with a small investment, diversify your portfolio, monitor your investments, and be patient. With a bit of knowledge and some patience, you can build wealth and earn a profit from the stock market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.